Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico and welcome here to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a video inside your Power BI report like this one, where the users can just press play and watch a tutorial or something that you want to show to them. The first thing that you need to have, obviously, is the video. I suggest to be a .mp4, okay? Better format for the Power BI. And the second thing that you're going to need, it's a drive to upload this video. I suggest to use the GitHub, and I'm going to do it on GitHub. Why I'm doing that on GitHub? Because it's free, it's public, and it's more easily for your users to have access. If you upload a video where the users need credentials, when you publish this Power BI on Power BI service, may the things goes wrong. Okay, so let's upload this video just to show how to do it. If you don't know how to do it on GitHub, let's go. Nothing new here, you just need to sign up if you don't have an account. It's free, it's GitHub, okay? I'm going to log in, and after you log in on your GitHub, you're going to create a new repository. So this repository name is going to be videos for my Power BI testing. Any name that you want, okay? I'm going to set that to public. Anyone on the internet can see this repository. That's the good thing, actually, because if it's public, when someone try to get the video from your Power BI, they going to see the video. So we don't need credentials. That's why I'm inserting here in a repository public, okay? Create this repository. And after that, I just need to upload my my files. Other tip here is that if you need to insert, for example, images on your Power BI, icons, you can use GitHub and set to public. And when people see these images on Power BI, they can access without credentials. That's a topic for other video. Let's focus here on the video. Creating a new file or uploading an existing file. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the video that I pre-recorded here and just upload, dragging to the GitHub. Uploading, okay, uploaded, finish, just commit change, processing my file. And after that, we're going to have this file in a public drive right here. After that, I can access the MP4, but what we need to understand here is that that link is not the file. I need to get the raw link, okay? Because I need the binary, but when I click the raw, I just get downloaded. The file just get downloaded. I don't want to download the file. I need the link because I need to use the link on the Power BI report. And to do it, it's pretty simple. Right here, we are seeing the blob, but we don't want the blob. We want the raw. Okay, we just change the blob to raw here and get the link. I'm going to copy that. If I press enter, just so you to understand, you can see right here that when I click, the file is downloaded. So I just get the link for the raw, the binary file. Okay, next step on your Power BI, the first thing that I'm going to do is create a measure and insert here the URL from my video. You could have more than one video and do a playlist. I'm just doing the basic here, okay, so you can learn how to do it first and improve it by yourself. So URL from my video, it's this one. I just copy from my browser. Okay, I have the URL, and now what I'm going to do, you're going to get more visuals and use the HTML render. So you can use the HTML content like this one here. This going to render the HTML. So we're going to use HTML to render this video. So click here, you're going to, it's free, okay, it's free. You can use it without any cost, just add to your project and ta-da, you're going to have this visual right here. After that, we're going to insert this visual And for this visual, we're going to create also a measure. So we can use a measure to show here on the visual. So let's go new measure, click on new measure, and we starting the HTML video to show how to use HTML to show a video. I'm going to be honest, I have this right here ready, so I'm just going to copy that so we can buy some time for you. Okay, so I have right here the tag. I'm going to copy that, I'm going to paste right here, and I'm going to change the URL to my new measure URL for my video. So basically we are creating here a tag named video with a width and height that I want, and it's really important to insert here the controls. The controls in the video tag, it's the play, it's the pause. So insert the controls in your video tag. After that, we have the source with the property source. Okay, it's where is my video located? My video located is located right here. That's why we created the measure. So it's pretty simple to change. If I need to change, I change it on the measure. And the type, it's video / MP4. Like I said before, it's better for your Power BI. And the tag video, so it's video, and inside the source from the video. When I press enter right here, I have the new measures created. I'm going to drag and drop on the values of the HTML visual, and ta-da, we have the video on your Power BI. I can publish that and going to be fine. It's going to work on your Power BI service, trust me. So you can use it on your projects without any issues. Okay, and like I said, if I delete here the controls, just take a look, the play goes out. So use the control so your user can play and pause. It's better, I think, that the users, if the user don't like the video and they want to stop it, they need the control. Okay, so controls here, press enter, and now they can change the volume or even download the video if they want. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave the measure down below on the description. Please consider to subscribe to this channel and share so I can bring this knowledge to more people, the free content of knowledge for more people. And if you watched this video to the end, please comment down below the word pineapple. Let me know if you watched it to the end. So leave a feedback and comment pineapple so I can know who watched this video to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, in the next class. Please subscribe.